there, thinkers. Thanks for joining us. Today, we are going to talk about something super important: thinking and how to make great decisions. Ready to power up your brain and think like a champ? Let's go! Thinking is what your brain does when you have a question, a problem, or a choice to make. It's like a super workout for your brain. And guess what? Everyone can be a great thinker with a few. Step 1. Take a deep breath. First, pause and take a deep breath. This helps your brain get ready to think clearly. Imagine your brain saying, "Okay, I'm ready." Step 2. Ask questions. What should I do? What will happen? Next, ask yourself questions. What are my choices? What could happen if I pick this or that? Asking questions help you find the best answers. Step 3. Think about the consequences. Now, think about what might happen next. If you decide to eat cookies before dinner, you might feel full and skip your meal. But if you wait, you can enjoy both. Step 4. Make your decision. Finally, it's time to choose. Once you've thought about your options and what might happen, pick the one that's best for you and others. For example, choosing a game. Here is an example. If I choose between playing video games or going outside with friends, I'll ask myself, which one is more fun with friends? Playing outside? So, I'll go with that. Think, ask, choose. See, making great decisions isn't hard when you pause, ask questions, and think it through. You are already a great thinker, and now you know how to make smart choices. Thanks for learning with me. Keep thinking big and making awesome decisions. See you next time, thinkers. Subscribe for more fun lessons.